Templates in Octo Browser are an easy way to avoid configuring each profile from scratch. You set the required proxies, extensions, start pages, and other parameters only once, and then create any number of profiles based on this template. To create a template, go to the Templates section and click Create Template. Enter the template name. You can also set a name for the profiles that will be created using this template. If you leave this field empty, quick profiles created from this template will have random names. Next, you can add one or multiple proxies. If you add several proxies, they will be assigned randomly. The rest of the settings on this tab are the same as when creating a profile. In the fingerprint parameters, there are settings that can be left random. If you do not need a fixed value for a specific parameter, Octo Browser will assign it randomly when creating a profile. The operating system of your device is used by default. Select the required one before saving the template, as this cannot be changed later. After finishing the setup, click Create Template, and it will appear in the template list. If you later need to edit the proxy or tags of the template, you can do it there directly. To use a template when creating profiles, you need to activate it. Let's create a quick profile using a template. To do this, select the Template option for the quick profile. Now profiles will be created based on the preset parameters. When creating standard profiles, the parameters from the active template will be applied by default. Here you can also select a different template or adjust the profile manually. Templates also work when creating profiles in bulk. The currently active template will be used here by default. Enter the required number of profiles and add them. During bulk profile creation, proxies from the template are randomly distributed among the profiles. If you have any questions about configuring templates in Octo, be sure to review the documentation or contact our customer service. You will find the links in the description. Subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful.